Hey guys, I'm going to get in the process of doing it. This is not no like serious recipe for this. So basically you just take the sequins and match it up to the shoe. And I'm trying to do this with my phone, guys. So it's harder to hold it and work at the same time. But you're just going to mix and match pieces. Like I already cut this little piece. So hard to do this. And I got the hot glue gun that is taking place, guys. I do think the E6000 probably would be a lot better because sometimes after you use that hot glue gun, it does leave a residue. And I made the bow from this fabric right here. So I just made a little bow. And this is going to be the bow that you're going to glue on the side of the shoe when it's all done. So I got the glue like heating up, and it's a simple process, guys. Just get the sequins and just match it on the shoe the best way possible. I don't know if my gun is heating up. Let's see. And then I'm gonna be honest, I'm terrified of working with this hot glue gun because that's why I got the 3rd-degree burns and I never got my skin back. So I kind of don't really like trying to work and talk. I did that for you guys. You guys see this? That came from a hot glue gun. And this came from a hot glue gun. So I'm a little bit terrified. But I'm going to just try to do this one piece for you guys. And then you guys are pretty bright. You guys can do this stuff yourself. You don't need me to sit around and hold your hand. You're very bright. So you're just going to match and put it on there, and anywhere it overlap, you're just going to cut it off. So it's like putting together a puzzle, guys. So that's how you're going to make those over there. So thank you guys for watching again. I thought I'd better do it live, but those burns is still terrifying me. So make your little bow from your satin fabric, and that's how you can create those. Alrighty, guys, over and out.